how to choose the language that you wanna to have a post translated on Facebook. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe on our channel. So let's start. First you just go to your Facebook, then you will open it, and after this, when your Facebook is open, you will just go here to this three line and click on it, and then on this three line guys, you will just go to settings, and then you will go to language and region. Then you will go to the second option, language you'd like to have posts translated into. You will click, and here you will choose the language that you want. You will find a list here, and here you can change this or choose whatever you want. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our channel, and see you next.